Quick video to show you how to change the battery in the remote control for a Liftmaster or Chamberlain garage door opener. What you're going to see on the side of the device is there's a slot here and a penny will fit in just fine. Put that penny into the slot and then turn it. And that's going to halfway open up the remote. There's also a slot below the light here. Put the penny in there as well. Turn it. And that's going to open up the rest of it. Now, when you take the top half off, be careful you don't drop these buttons. These buttons here just kind of sit on the top there. Set that aside. Take a note of the battery. The plus side of the battery is facing up. That's where you're going to want to put the replacement. And also note that it's on an angle. When it sits in this little tray, it sits in on an angle, not completely flat. So go ahead and to take it out, put your finger under here, and you just pry it up and out. Get your replacement battery. Put your new one in. You just set it underneath those front two clamps there and then click down just like that. Like I said, it's on a little bit of an angle. Then to put it back together, you're just going to look and match up the light that's on the little board here with the hole on your remote. And just take the bottom here, set it right on top there. You click it in place. That's it. Now you're back with a new battery and you're ready to go. Hey, check the video description for a link to where you can find replacement batteries. And as always, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and have a great day.